Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to share a step-by-step tutorial on creating a stunning 40 cm crepe paper flower that will make any space bloom with beauty. We will need crepe paper, your favorite color, scissors, ruler, stapler for faster petals making, petals template and circle template, and of course hot glue. First of all, let's prepare our petals. To do this, cut a 60 cm strip from the roll. Next, fold it several times to divide it into segments 18, 20 and 12 cm. Take the first strip 18 by 60 cm. We are going to make 5 petals from it. To do this, take template number 1 and fold it 5 times, as I show in the video. Fold everything neatly, cut on the sides and cut out the shape of petal number 1. The first 5 petals are almost ready. Now we will give them a shape. To do this, carefully stretch the petal in the center, as I show in the video. Crepe paper has a front and back side. The difference is that front side is always brighter. Therefore, we shape all our petals from the front side. All the petals are ready and now we proceed to larger petals. For this, we take a strip 20 by 60 cm and our template number 2. Like previously, we apply the petal and fold it 5 times, cut on the sides and cut out the petal template number 2. In total, we will have 5 petals by 1 cut. Repeat shaping like with the first petal by lightly stretching at the center. Be careful and do not press too much. When petals are ready, take one petal from template number 1 and one from template number 2. Place them together at a slight diagonal. Create a small fold at the bottom and secure them with a stapler. Repeat it with all our petals. Now take our circle base and glue the first 5 petals. Use the distance 2 cm from the edge of our circle. When all the petals are glued, to make the flower more voluminous and beautiful, let's add another row of petals. To do this, repeat like with the first row. Cut a 60 cm strip and divide it into segments like previous time, 18, 20 and 12 cm. And then cut out our petals. 5 petals template number 1 and 5 petals template number 2. Then slightly stretch at the center to make a beautiful petal shape. By the way, do not toss the leftovers. In my next video, I will show you how to create adorable little forget-me-not flowers using those scraps. As before, place 2 petals together, but this time align them exactly in the center. Create a small fold at the base and secure with a stapler. When all the petals are ready, place and glue each one between the previous petals. Now let's make a center. Take a strip 12 by 60 cm, fold in half and press firmly to make a crease. Fold it several times and cut along the folded edge to create a tiny fringe strips, stopping about 2 cm from the edge. Apply glue along the bottom edge of the fringe and roll the strip into a tight circle. Secure the base with a little more glue, then put it aside so glue will set well. Take a second strip, fold it in half and cut it in the same way. Then glue the strip around our first fringe to make the center fuller and more lush. Once the center is ready, apply glue to its base and attach it to the middle of our flower. Make sure it's securely attached. Then gently fluff and adjust the center, and your flower is nearly complete. Take a moment and enjoy what a flower you made. Everything is completely handmade. Now let's measure it to see how it turned out. My standard ruler is only 30 centimeters, it's about 12 inches. I can already tell that this flower is larger than that. Taylor's tape shows the diameter approximately 40 centimeters, around 16 inches. From one roll you can make 4 such flowers. To make a wall mounting option, cut a 15 centimeters piece of wire. Twist the ends and glue it to the flower base. Place a strip of paper with glue over the wire and press it firmly to secure it better. If you want to make this flower freestanding, you can check previous tutorial on my channel, how to transform a wall decor flower to a freestanding. For the final touch, gently adjust the petals to add volume, and your flower is ready to bloom in your home. I hope you enjoyed this video and creating something special today. I know that not so many artists share their tutorials and secrets, but I love doing so to inspire you. So make sure to follow my channel for future tutorials. I would love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to leave a comment below and share how your flower turned out, or any tips you have for future projects. Thanks for watching and can't wait to see you in next video. Bye bye!